Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the bold, small, underline, incorrect and strong. So first, it looks so messy, that's why what I'm gonna do is I will remove everything in the main and I will put lorem. So here we have everything, our last line which is footer and our header. And now what we need to do is just what I'm gonna do first is the small. So what a small tag does is make everything small. So I'm gonna put P first, and I will take this line and put it inside here and use the small tag inside it. So small and here, Control plus V, and now we have this small tag. It's look like a subheading like that. Next we're gonna talk about the bold. So what I'm gonna do is from here I'm gonna use the another p tag, and inside this I'm gonna put a bold tag. So I will take from up to here and cut that and put it inside there. So next thing we got the bold. These are kind of like topography, but these are not. These are, virtual topography like that. And now you want something to be underlined, one line to be underlined. So what I'm gonna do is first I'm gonna use the p tag, and inside that I'm gonna put the u tag, which led you to give underline. So oh, that would be a mess if I do here. So forget about that. Oh, and here I'm gonna use the p tag first, and under that we're gonna use the underline. And I'm gonna take up to here and cut that and paste that. When we're done with that, you can see there's underline. And now I'm gonna use the strong. So strong make the word appear from to the list purpose. So P, you know, all strong guys appear always, right? So strong, and just here I will take that and copy, cut and paste that here. So this is what strong looks like. Now you're gonna say bold looks like stew, but no, that's a totally different way to do that. Just, you can do any word you want. That's not a big deal. And last we have uh, s tag. So think about that. You need a correction. So how are we gonna do that? Just use the p tag, and inside that what I'm gonna do is s tag. S tag give you strike. You can, it's short for strike, So I'm gonna take this from here, cut that, and what just happened? So Control plus X, Control plus V, yeah. And you can see this line is incorrect and it's removed by s tag. So this is all about it in this tutorial, and after that we're gonna talk about the progress bar, text area and button, and that will be a hard though. I'm not gonna mercy on you, okay? This is the last easiest tutorial, so see you guys in the next tutorial.